Hi champs, so welcome to the first day of the Python series. And today, by completing this session, you will be able to introduce yourself with the use of Python. So let's get started. So first of all, click on this link and you can find this link in the description of this session. So just click on this link and now you will be there on the trinket. So today here, we will write the Python code for introducing yourself. And we will also do some more fun. Okay. So first of all, come on the slides and first start in the Python by saying the hello to the Python. So again, come on the same link and for saying the hello or any other thing in the Python. So printing anything and for saying anything inside the Python programming language, here we will use the print function. And for using the function, there is already a print function inside the Python. So this is the built-in function. And for calling the function, just type the name of the function, which is print. Sorry. Write the print in the small letters. So now you have seen when I've written the print in the capital letters, the color of the function didn't change. So now when I will write the print in the small letters, the color of the print will be changed. So see on the screen, because there is already a built-in function in the Python with the name of print. And for calling the function, just open the small bracket and close the small bracket, which is the parenthesis. And inside this parenthesis or inside this brackets, just write the any statement which you want to print. Like here, we want to print the hello. So just write the hello. So because this is the text, so always put the text inside the double quote like this. Okay, so first run this program without adding the double quote. And let's see what will happen. And for running the program, just click on the run. And now there is an error. And the error is hello is not defined. Because there is no any function or no any variable hello in the Python program. So there is a name error. So just put this text inside the double quote. Let's again run the program. And now you will be able to see hello on the right side of your screen. But on the other hand, if you want to print any numbers instead of text, then there is no need to add double quote. So if I want to print number 2, then I can print it without adding double quote. And now run it again and see the changes on the right side of your screen. How it is simple. So printing anything in the Python program, first of all, write the name of the function. In the Python, you can print anything. You can print any statement with the help of print function. So just first of all, write the function and the name of the function is print. Start the parenthesis and inside the parenthesis, just write any text. So if you want to print any text, then put it inside the double quote. Or if you want to print any numbers, then you can write it without adding double quote. and anything inside that double quote in the programming, we call it a string. So this is the string or the text which we want to print, hello. Okay, so come again on this slide. And champs, there is a first challenge for you in this session. And the challenge is, now you have to print the same statement in your terminal, in your Python programming language. And the syntax is, as you're able to see on the screen. Hey, now I can also write the code in the Python. So just go to your terminal, open your terminal, write the same syntax as you will be able to see on the screen, which is, hey, now I can also write the code in Python. And now you have only 1 minute. In the same way, you have to write as we are writing hello. So write the same syntax. Hey, now I can also write the code in Python and put this text inside the double quote. And for printing anything inside the Python, use the print function. Okay, great. Okay, so now after this, let's do some much more fun than text. So now come on the ASCII. And now we will play with the ASCII art. So first, what is ASCII art? So anyone can tell what is ASCII art? Okay. So if you are printing anything using only the text characters, as you are able to see on the screen, the cat is printed using only the text characters like backslash, brackets, and caps like this. So if you are printing anything with the use of only text characters, then that is the ASCII art. Like cat, another cat, and another cat. These all arts are the ASCII art because these all arts are made with the use of only text characters. And in the same way, we will print something. We will make some ASCII art inside the Python using only the text characters. So come again on the terminal. Okay. So first remove it or just add some space. So now again printing, we will use the print function. But now this time, we will print the art with the use of text characters. So first we will print the dog with the use of text characters. For printing the dog, again I'm writing the print function with the brackets. Inside the brackets, start the string with the double quote. And now here I'm printing the dog. Small o and 4 times underscore. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next line, again call the print function, parenthesis, and double quote. And after one space, just add the leg of the dog. And for adding the leg, I'm using the pipe character. So you can use this pipe character by pressing the shift plus backslash. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And for running the program, just click on the Run tab. So this is the ASCII art, and like this, you can print any basic art with the use of text characters. And if you are facing any problem during anything, then you can ask in the comment section without any hesitation. So come again on the slides. And again, there is a challenge. And now the challenge is you have to use the both thing. So in the challenge 1, you have to print some syntax. And in the challenge 2, we have seen some ASCII art. And now we are combining both things in the challenge 2. So now you have to print the two things. In the Python terminal, first print your name and then make a smiley emoji using the ASCII art. So again, you have the 1 minute for performing the same challenge. And also I'm doing it on the screen. So if you want to take the help, then you can take it. Okay, so first print your name. Again, call the print function. Inside the parenthesis, add the double quote and print your name. And now we have to print the smiley emoji. So let's try. We will be able to print it with the use of text characters or not. So first of all, call the print function, parenthesis, double quotes, print. Okay, so run it and check on the screen. Or print in another way also. Print, double quote, colon and close bracket. So you can print the smiley emojis in the different way. And again, if you are facing any problem, you can ask in the comment section without any hesitation. So come again on the slides. Sorry. And in the Python, not only you can print the things, but also you can calculate something. You can also do the calculation inside the Python in a very easy way, as you are doing in the real life on the calculator. So let's see it again. So if you want to add some number in the Python, then just print. Print is basically for printing the statement on the terminal. So print 8 plus 9 and then run it on the terminal. Perhaps it will give the error. Oh, it has printed. Cool. So like this, you can use the Python for the calculation also. And with the use of calculation, let's create the age calculator in the Python. So now in the age calculator, we will calculate the age of the person, of any person, in the year of 2032. Means what will be the age of that person in the year 2032. And for knowing the age, a simple logic for calculating the age, just subtract the born year with the year of 2032 to know the age of that person in the year of 2032. So I'm repeating again. So for calculating the age of any person, just subtract the born year of that person with the 2032 year for knowing the age of that person in the year of 2032. So let's make the age calculator. Okay. And now we want to make the age calculator for calculating the age in the year of 2032. So for example, my date of birth is 2000. So just subtract the 2000 from the 2032. Okay. And now print it on the screen. And in the year 2032, I will be the 32 years old. But now print it in a more improved way. So first do the basic calculation. But now you have to create the program. You have to write the program for any person. Like when you run the program, first it will ask in which year you born, and then it will calculate the age by printing the statement in the year 2032. Your age will be some number. So first of all, ask the question from the user and then print the age of that person based on that input, based on that year which the user has given the input. And for asking the input inside the Python, just use the input function. So let's see on the terminal. So if you want to ask anything from the user, then just use the input function. So here I'm using a variable with the name of age. So here I'm assigning input function for asking the age. Okay. So here I'm assigning the input to the variable age. So this is the variable. In the variable, you can contain anything, any type of data, because this is the variable. And in this variable, we are containing the input. And for asking the input, just similar to the print function, again, inside the input function, write your question. Like if I want to ask the age of the person, not the age, but the born year. Please type your born year. because the input is storing in the age variable. So whatever the user will give the input, it will be stored in the age variable. And now for printing the age, what we have to do? Just use the print function. Now we have to print the age. So inside the print, just type the age, because there is already age variable is already containing the born year, and the input function already written the value in the string format. So there is no need to add quote inside the print function. So again, click on the run, give the input from the terminal, and will it print the age, not the age, just rename it born name, and will print the born year of that person. So click on the run button and see the changes on the terminal. So now as you are able to see on the screen, first it is asking, please type your born year. Come on the terminal, type your born year, and now it will print your born year, which is 2000. Now in the same way, first it will ask, please type your born year, and then it will print not your born year, directly the age of that person in the year of 2032. Okay. So for performing the same, see the action on the screen. So from this born year, we are taking the input from the user, the born year of that person. And now we have to print the age of that person in the year of 2032. So just subtract that value, which is storing in the born year variable, from the value 2032. So again, create a variable with a meaningful name, like for storing the age in for storing the age in 2032, the variable is age, and just subtract the born year with the value of 2032. And after that, print that age. So again, click on the run button and see the changes. So first of all, please type your born year, and now it will print the age in the year of 2032. Oh, so now there is an error, and the error is yeah. So this is the type error, and the error is unsupported operand types for sub, integer and string on line 23 in main.py. So there are the two types of data are there in the line 23. The one is integer and the another one is string. So come on the line 23. So the first one is the integer, yeah, and the second one is string, because the input is returning the data in the double quote, but we need to change it in the numeric value, which is 2032. So for doing the calculation, like any addition, subtraction, We also need to change the data which is returning from the input and which is storing in the born year variable into the integer. And for converting the data type from the string to integer, just use the int function. Okay. So the data in the born year variable in the string format, and for converting this one into the integer for performing the calculation, just use the int function, and inside the int function put the string 1. And now this one is already in the integer format, and this one we have converted from a string to integer using the int function. And now it will print the age by subtracting the 2032 from your born year. So again, click on the run and see the changes on the screen. So again, first it is asking, please type your born year, which is 2000. And now it will print the age in the year of 2032. Means what will be your age in the year of 2032, which is 32. And now, champs, you have to write the same program in the more improved way. Like it will print. So first it will print in the year 2032, your age will be, and then the number means the age. Okay. So first it will print in the year 2032, your age will be. So for writing anything, just put inside the double quote, and you can write or print anything with the help of print function in the Python. Okay, so now again run the Python code. So again it is asking your born year. So in that 2032, your age will be 32. But now again there is a problem. And the problem is both the things are not in the one line. Both the things are not in the one line, but we want to show in the one line. So for printing the same thing in the one line, see on the screen, by adding a space or the colon, you can print the two things together either by using the plus So if you're using the plus for adding the two things together, then both of things should be in double quote. And you can also use the comma operator for printing the two things. And there is no need to add again the double quote. So remove the print age from the line number 26 and just add it by using the comma operator. So again, click on the run and see the changes on the stage on the right side screen. So first of all, please type your born year, which is 2000. And now it will print the age with the statement in the year 2032. Your age will be 32. And champs, that's it for today's session. And if you are facing any problem, you can ask the question in the comment section. And see you soon in the next week with another module. So bye, see you on the next week.